His compelling message in Update 14 shows the wisdom of our CEO to give us exactly what we need at the right time. This update didn't just come into the mind of Mr. Ashmufareh. If you have been paying attention, he is giving us a blueprint and roadmap of how calculating he is. This new survey is here for us as a barometer to see how we respond to what he and his technology teams are doing. It measures our enthusiasm and, to an extent, our core belief in what Mr. Mufareh's enhanced company is doing. How he keeps doing these things is not an accident. It's a magnificent gift. Mr. Ashmufareh is not leaving any of us loyal founders and affiliates out of his plans for building his business, like it is also our business. He said we are essential parts of the next chapter. So those three questions relate to how he is framing his company and if it meets our approval. Wow, how amazing is that? With this survey, it gives each one of us self-esteem. This isn't insignificant, it's insightful. Clarity from O News, very helpful. Readiness for what's next. Yes, we are excited. Communication and training, very helpful. For Bill Must and John White, these are questions that gauged our interest in Mr. Ashmufareh's company. Thank you, sir, for including us in this momentous event in the building of your company. In fact, this is a road marker that will be celebrated when other people come into Mr. Ashmufareh's company. No matter how large this new company gets, we are hallmarked into the chambers of his company. We are the pioneers of this big, bold, beautiful, shared dream. How does this make you feel?